are you today? Now, our video. Well, we present again our chicken, spicy chicken, original guys, from my own style. So, if you remember how I marinate my last video guys, so this is it. Now, this is for dinner time. Now, mix. We will do it now. Make it fast guys. So like this. Because already marinated guys. So little bit fast. So this is it. Our technique. Our method. How to make our spicy, crispy fried chicken. Okay guys. How I make. So this is it. If you like your chicken wings become bigger, looking bigger, so you can put more flour. Why I put like this guys? Yeah. Why I make this buttering of our chicken? This is we call buttering. Okay guys, buttering. Yeah. Not put butter. This is we call buttering. This is flour like this. We call buttering. I call this guys buttering, okay? For me. I don't know some guys what they call. So, one moment guys. So guys, this is it. How made more crispy our fried chicken guys. Our flour, this is plain, nothing ingredients, nothing more. Only plain, all-purpose flour, more better. So, we can put again our baking powder. Okay guys, not too much. Like this only, cans of baking powder, like this. Guys, you control what you, how volume you put. So like this. Perfect. Let's start it guys. How to cook our chicken perfectly. Like this. Guys, like this. So you can try this guys in your home. This is flex. Our chicken we have a flex like original if you eat in McDo or Jollibee. This is really original. Or UFC. Guys, we will see our result guys. In a minute, you saw the result of our chicken and never waste your time to watch our video guys. Guys, I promise, you watch our video, never lose your time. Okay? You never waste your time if you watch our video today guys, at this time. For a moment guys, then our oil is ready on pan. It's already lit. Almost 75 degrees. Yeah, I don't have temperature but I know guys. So we will see guys. I make now our first batch fried chicken, crispy chicken, spicy crispy chicken, and very delicious guys. Guys, don't worry, you try this in your home, in your street, if you like to make business like this, Philippines or any nationality guys, you can try. Our friend from India, our friend from Ghana, our friend from Indonesia, you can try this in your home, in your street guys. Okay, because we almost the same. So, ikaw, may gagawin ka. Paano muna spaghetti natin? So, this is it guys. Little bit. I make all together. And later on, only one time to cook the oil. And we clear here. Yeah. So this is it guys, how to cook our chicken. Guys, you know guys, I'm proud to present you this one. 100% guys, I've never doubt. If you try try this in your home, in your canteen, guys, and never doubt. This is very good taste, guys. Trust me. Very good taste. 100%, guys. If you try this one, guys, you never buy Jollibee or McDo. Trust me. You never buy. Okay, guys. So now our chicken is almost ready. Our pasta. Partner of fried chicken now, guys, is Italian vegetarian Italian pasta. Vegetarian Italian pasta. So good. And a partner, guys, perfect also gravy sauce. The color, the taste, the texture, how it sticky, perfect. I'll show you later, guys, our gravy, my own style. So our pasta is ready. Guys, are you watching? Don't leave me, guys. Join with me. Okay, guys, don't leave me, please. Because this video is for you guys, not for me. So now our oil is ready to fry. Where's my... So guys, our oil is ready to fry, ready to action. So this is it. Guys, look our chicken, guys. In a minute, this is real magic. Very delicious chicken. It's come to you, guys. Really magic. So now, ready. See, guys, our chicken, guys. Look how we cook our chicken with the flour. Perfect. Very simple way. Now, guys, watch. Watch, guys. Chicken wing. Only 7 minutes. 8 minutes if you like more. But 6 minutes is our chicken done. Perfect time for our chicken wing. 7 minutes. 6 minutes. Like this. So guys, wait, we fry together. We make gravy sauce perfect, guys. Gravy. Guys, I have a technique how to make a gravy sauce. You see the texture, guys, and later on, guys, I explain to you how to make this one. Okay. watching. So guys, our gravy. Guys, we put soy sauce for the color. And this one. We put Maggi for the taste. Guys, perfect. And don't forget this one, guys. My own style. Guys, perfect. Don't forget this one. Okay, don't take your galley. This one. I don't take anywhere. Bring on your galley. Bring on your kitchen, guys. Always just this one. Guys. Guys, I tell you, perfect gravy, guys. Yeah, perfect. So guys, look our gravy. Perfect. Okay. Guys, you can put this a little bit spicy ground pepper. But first, how I made this one, cook your flour little bit brown first. Cook your flour, and this is a shortcut but perfect. No need more any procedure. Cook your flour, stir on the pan until brown, little bit brown. Yeah, the purpose of that, if you put the water, your flour never become compressed, so it is easy to dissolve the water. Then first strain and dissolve the water, and then put the fire until you like how you like the sticky. Then add water if it's sticky, add water, it's sticky, until reach what you like the texture like this. Then at the end, put butter or margarine. That's it. Your gravy perfect, guys. Perfect. So if you like strong flavor taste, put beef cube. Okay. Then if you like light, put chicken cube. Okay, guys. Like that. Only our gravy. This is our basic gravy, guys. Perfect gravy, guys. Don't worry. Perfect. Okay, you can try this in your home, you can try in your restaurant, you can try shortcut. You see, easy procedure, easy method how to make your own gravy perfect. Color, the color depends upon how you put how much you put this soy sauce. Yeah, normal soy sauce. Don't put kikuman, anything, nothing. Don't put Worcestershire sauce, any sauce, Leah Perez, don't put, because the gravy is not natural taste. Okay guys, this is it. Our gravy is done. So I hope guys you learn what I say. Long video you learn more, short video you learn soon. So you learn more. You learn small only if a short video. Okay guys. Our beautiful pan, I make ready for our vegetarian Italian noodles. Okay guys, perfect vegetarian Italian noodles for our vegetarian. If you are vegetarian guys, you try this. Guys, you try. what we need to our vegetarian pasta noodles. I need this mixed vegetable. I make already blanch, guys. I blanch already. I don't show you how to blanch because very easy, very normal way how to blanch. Because this is I blanch first with the water from I blanch this first, then I strain, and the remaining water I'm using to cook our pasta. So this is it. It's ready with salt. I blanch with the salt. So this is it, guys. Our pasta for vegetarian is ready. Wait and watch. So this is our chicken, guys. Let's take and wait the salt of our chicken. Wait, guys. One moment. First batch. Guys, what do you think? Already 5 minutes? 6 minutes? I don't know. I forgot the time. I don't know, guys. But I told you 6 minutes or 7 minutes only, guys. But I forget the time.
Oh,
okay. Huh?
Because we know the time.
Huh?
Because we know the time.
Yeah.
What time?
Sorry.
How many minutes?
I don't know. I forgot. Guys, I'm busy. I'm sorry, guys. Maybe 8 minutes now. Now. I try one piece, guys. I try. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, sorry. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm really sorry.
One mimi.
Yes, guys. You know my partner, they said you need to input Mimi, but I tell her, don't it because guys, guys,
Mimi.
guys, our flavor is very exciting to test, guys. Wait,
Mimi.
wait, guys, guys. Believe me, our chicken perfect, guys. Believe me, I'm not kidding, I'm not joking, guys. I'm proud to present my own style fried chicken, spicy, crispy fried chicken, guys, with our my own also creamy sauce. I'm proud to present you guys. Okay, guys, I'm really proud, and I hope you try this one in your home, in your canteen, or in your restaurant, guys. So now I start also to make own our vegetarian Italian pasta, guys. I'm using this olive oil. I don't use butter. I don't use margarine. So more bitter. This is more healthy, guys. Okay. If you use butter, okay. Margarine, okay also. It's good, but more bitter olive oil. So guys, I have one finished. Look, guys. That test, you see, guys, very hot. You know, very hot. You see, guys, you see, very hot. What do you think, guys? Our chicken, guys. You see the chicken, 7 minutes. You see, perfect. Outside crispy, inside juicy. Okay, now I take all. I remove one. Just finish, guys. I forget the time, guys. Sorry, guys. Guys, believe me, guys. Please believe what they do now. So stop, guys. Look, listen, and observe what I'm doing, guys. And then all you can apply also. Like this, I'm proud to present our crispy fried chicken, spicy, juicy, guys, juicy. Guys, look, guys, our crispy fried chicken and juicy. I'm really proud to present on you. Any nationality, guys, I'm really proud to present this one. Okay. So one more chicken back. So like this. You must put your oil. You do that one. don't make your chicken is here and then put the pan, so must get there near to the pan like this. Very easy. Guys, all of this we make very easy, okay? No hard. Guys, we make delicious food always very easy to make. Our method is very easy. Okay, guys? Even so very delicious food, but very easy to make, guys. Remember. No difficult method, guys. Always easy. Because I made this for you guys. This video, I made this for you. Remember, guys, not for me, eh? I made this video for you. You learn. Simple, simple, guys. You learn. And me, and I'm so very happy, guys, if you try this method. My method, guys, if you try. And please check, guys, my previous video how to marinate our chicken. Okay, guys, how to marinate. Please check my video later on. But sorry, I'm not yet uploaded. Okay, guys. But after this one, I upload how I marinate. Okay. So this is it. But guys, remember our video is real. No edit, nothing to cut. This is real. What happened at this that time of our cooking? That is it. Okay. This is always a real what happened. So now, guys, we proceed now to our vegetarian Italian pasta. So we need our garlic already chopped. This is more better. I have a preparation already. I have onion preparation already chopped. So it's easy, right? So guys, we'll do it. Saute first our garlic. Like this. Our pasta, guys, is 1.5 kilo. Okay, remember, this is for 20 person, but some person they eat small pasta only because they have rice. Okay, that's why I make pasta because fried chicken. So we feel our colleague they feel like they eat a restaurant Italian pasta or some fast food like Jollibee or McDonald's. So later on they feel like that. Guys, remember? So my friend is already camp and take his dinner. So this is it. And later on, I asked him, what is the taste? What? The taste of our chicken, guys. But guys, remember, I'm really proud to present you my own style fried chicken, crispy fried chicken. But you see, remember, I'm using olive oil. Okay, I'm using olive oil. Then after that, basic saute. After onion, garlic, onion. This is a basic procedure. So like that. Little bit sound. And somebody is sleeping, here's wake up. And you also, guys, if you are sleeping, you wake up. So guys, this is it. Remember that one, guys. Again, short video you learn more, but long video you learn a lot. Okay, guys. So I'm sorry. We have a long video because now we still process, not yet finished. But it's okay, guys. If you are busy right now, you're watching my video this time, you can stop and later on you come back and watch again. Okay? Because this is for you. My video is just for you, not for me. And for our friend and friend and friend. Okay, guys? I want to share my own idea, guys. Okay, don't worry, guys. I have a long video because still process, but you can stop, guys. You play slowly. Okay, guys? Don't make hurry. Don't make hurry. So, because our onion and garlic is almost done, almost ready. So, what I need to do, we pour our tomato pelt. Okay guys, this is Italian, no meat. We use only the tomato pelt, tomato sauce, different tomato sauce and tomato pelt. Okay guys, tomato pelt we have whole and we have a sauce. Tomato sauce without this whole. So this is tomato pelt. I'm using this one. That is the different guys. So remember guys, what we are making today? Vegetarian Italian pasta. Okay, vegetarian Italian pasta, no meat. So you can try this all in your home guys. You can try. And I'm using olive oil, remember. No butter, no margarine. More healthy guys. Olive oil is more healthy. Little bit pricey guys, but more healthy. But of course guys, if you can't afford olive oil, you can use normal oil guys. No problem. So guys, I have one more instant like this. I show you. Yeah, this is tomato sauce. Okay guys, this is tomato sauce because our noodles is 1.5 kilo, so we need a little bit more. Like this. So guys, this is this can. And this is the empty can from our tomato bread. So I put water and I put little bit water. Okay, because this our tomato bread is a little bit dry. So guys, this is it. I show you later also. Then cover. One moment guys, cover. But don't forget guys, our partner in kitchen guys, this is magic. This is a real magic guys. Real magic. We put only one guys, only one. Only one. This is a real magic. Okay guys. This is a real magic. Remember, no meat, no everything, but if you put this magic guys, everything what you are preparing in your kitchen become delicious and perfect. The natural flavor it's come in your tongue guys. You see guys? So our chicken, turn around. Guys, turn around. Guys, you remember how many minutes already? I forgot again guys, sorry. I forgot. I'm busy guys, I'm busy. But I promise guys, not dry. Always juicy guys. Juicy. Our chicken is juicy. Don't worry guys. I have friend already take his dinner. But really, his dinner is on table. And later on guys, I asked him what the test. Because if from my words, it's very good. Maybe you don't believe. Okay guys? Maybe you don't believe. If I say, very delicious, very fantastic, maybe you don't believe. Right? But if from our colleague, from our friend, other nationality, FC, good. We believe that. We believe. And you believe also. So guys, need me, guys. No need. In my video, guys, no need me. No need funny video from the diet comedian. No need, guys. Okay, guys. Later on, guys. See? Now, our pasta is coming. So guys, one more thing. I put the salt. Guys, I put salt. I put salt, guys. Guys, please stay with me. Don't quit. Then we'll try. Guys, perfect. But you know, guys, Italian pasta not love much of our Filipino guys. Not really love, but they like, but not love. Okay, different. Favorite and only they like to eat than you eat your favorite. No, that is a different. So Filipino guys or Asia eat, but they not so really love the style of Italian pasta because this is a little bit sour because all we use all tomato sauce. Okay, guys, nothing more guys, no soy sauce, nothing more. Okay, only balance the texture of our sauce. If you need little bit put water, get more sticky, little bit put water, and until you reach the normal sticky of our sauce, and that's it. So guys, what guys, because now become sticky or sauce, so I put little bit more water. Don't worry, guys, this is a natural flavor. Natural. So guys, this is it. The texture of our sauce. And it's now. So you miss what they put, guys, for our vegetarian pasta. You miss. Huh? Stay what? Still watching, guys. Still watching. Wait. Guys, our fried chicken, guys. Again, I tell you guys, really perfect. Perfect. I'm not joke, I'm not kidding. Okay, guys. Guys, look my second batch chicken, guys. You see, guys, very hot, but I'm doing this for you, guys. Very hot, but believe, guys, our chicken is, guys, woo, guys, very delicious, guys. Believe me, our chicken, guys, very delicious, crispy but juicy, but little bit spicy, guys. No problem, no kid, and no kid now, no children on board, so they like all pro, they like spicy. Okay, guys, that's why no problem. But my problem, guys, they eat too much. That is my problem. Yeah, they eat too much. Our crew, they eat too much, so that is my problem, guys. perfect color, guys. Now, guys, what you think? Our chicken. Okay, one more. So, very easy. Guys, very near. Like this. Like this. Guys. Keep on watching, guys. If you are not busy, guys, if you don't have work today, guys, in this time, please still watching our video, guys. If you are not busy, but if you are busy, you can later on. Okay, guys. So if you have job now, guys, so don't worry. You can do that first because for me also, I do my job. So make your own job first, guys, before watching my video. Guys, make your own job first. Okay, guys. Because for me, after cooking, my job is finished also. For you, maybe learning. So one more. So this is it. Again, we take the texture of our sauce. That's it, guys. Guys, perfect. Perfect texture of our sauce, guys. Perfect. And we'll see the test again. But guys, only salt and pepper only, no more. Sorry, and our magic. Guys, if you put the cube, it's okay. I have here also a powder, chicken powder. I put also, it's okay also, but I don't need. Only this one, guys, I need. Okay, only this one. You know, guys, sometimes if you put more chicken cubes, sometimes very good, but sometimes the taste of your the taste of a natural flavors is disappear. Okay, guys, because sometimes, of course, Nor cube is very good also. I'm using that also, guys. But sometimes, not always. Not always. Sometimes the natural flavor disappear. Yeah, I tried that one. Now we will see the perfect what we put in our Italian pasta. So this is, guys, black olive slice. Okay, guys, black olive. Put black olive, green olive slice like this. Green olive, guys. Okay. That's why I don't put more salt, because our olive is already salty. Okay, guys? Already salty. So I put, guys, salt small on there because this is already salt, but it's perfect. Okay, now it becomes sticky because our olive. So I put more little bit water. And remember, guys, don't put cornstarch. Okay, guys? In our sauce, Italian pasta, don't put cornstarch because they make sticky his own sauce. They make sticky because if you boil a little bit more, the water is reduced, so it becomes sticky again. So no need to boil more because I read the texture. So the final, guys, for our vegetarian. What it means vegetarian, guys? What it means? Do you know the meaning of vegetarian, guys? Vegetarian? Vegetarian, it means they eat only vegetable without meat, anything. We cannot call vegetarian if only they eat pasta. Okay? So it means a pasta vegetarian, you saw the different kind of vegetable. Any vegetable, guys, you will call vegetarian. So what is this? This is a zucchini, yellow zucchini, guys. Green, it's okay, but I have already green, so I don't have green available. So I have only yellow zucchini. Then I have a sweet bell pepper. I have a red bell pepper. I slice already and I blanch already. So this is what is the purpose? You don't need to cook longer because it's already cooked. Just put the sauce and pasta and stir and finish. Okay? Because you know, guys, if I don't blanch, then I put here the sauce, not good. No good, guys. Become the freshness of our vegetable disappear. Maybe this one become brown. But you see, guys, still, you see, still, guys, still fresh. Ready? Still fresh. So, like this, and I put our vegetable, guys. This is vegetarian pasta. Italian vegetarian pasta. So, why? What is the vegetarian pasta? Guys, I give you some idea. Maybe you don't know yet. And some chef cook vegetarian. Guys, please comment below what is missing in my own style. So for me, guys, vegetarian pasta, what I know, what I understand, they use only tomato sauce. That's it. And olive oil. They use olive oil and olive also. Slice, green and red. And sometimes different pasta, but same process. And little bit additional, some breadcrumbs. Yeah. After this one, you can also put the breadcrumbs for little bit something like a sand. Okay, guys. But this is after cooking. When finish everything, you mix the pasta with the sauce. Some sprinkle with the breadcrumbs. Yeah, this is another style of our pasta, Italian pasta. But now only plain. I don't put the breadcrumbs like this. So this is it. Our pasta, guys. Pasta is ready also, and our vegetable is always ready. Also ready because the half cook already. I make half cook. So this is it. I pour this one. Sorry, guys. So our pasta vegetarian Italian. You will see the result. You will see, guys. I put the plate. This pasta. Guys, I put the powder, pepper powder. Peppercorn powder, guys, I put. And we have little bit small spicy from the pepper, not from the chili. Okay, guys? Spicy from the peppercorn, not the chili. Guys, will it be perfect dinner today? So, I put little bit oil but olive oil, no problem. And our pasta not become sticky and still fresh and easy to cut the pork. Like this. Guys, don't worry. This oil is very healthy. Don't worry, guys. One moment. Guys, I promise to you guys, our pasta perfect, guys, really perfect. Maybe you never ate like this, maybe, guys. Okay, this is my own style. Guys, I make to you a sample. I put in plate or pasta, and you can see early, but later on I make pitted with the chicken. Okay guys, now our dinner is only chicken and pasta, no more, because chicken is enough, pasta is enough, and everybody can eat, our friend can eat, guys. So this is it, guys. Thank you. You still watching and you're still learning, guys. So our pasta like this. Okay. Guys, remember this is vegetarian Italian pasta. Our vegetarian Italian pasta is ready to eat, guys. Not so red, guys, the normal spaghetti, not like that, because I don't use the tomato paste. But if I put tomato paste, guys, I sure more sour and the color is more darker red. But now, guys, this is light. So we have a yellow zucchini, we have a cauliflower, broccoli, and we have green olive, and we have a black olive. So this is it, guys. This is it. So you can sprinkle also the Parmesan cheese if you like, and if you have. Okay, guys, Parmesan cheese more better than the cheese in grated. More better, guys. You can partner with the Parmesan cheese on top. Okay, guys, now Italian pasta is ready to serve, and I'm proud to present on you guys. Okay, guys, later on we will see our plated, how it works, and how become a presentable. Okay, guys, thank you, guys. And now I want to stop my video, guys, because it's already long. Okay, now just remain is only chicken, but our pasta, guys is ready. Our gravy is ready. So thank you very much, guys. You're still watching on my video. Thank you very much. And if you're not finished, later on you can watch again. So guys, thank you very much.